Let's go to the gym. We finally got gloves. It's a little cold, so I'll need these. I swear, bro, this garage door opener has been acting faulty. I need to install the quad lock, cause I lost a little tightening bolt in there. That's why there's a hole, and the other thing piece fell somewhere there. These gloves feel weird, but we gotta get used to them. These gloves are tight. Like, man, I need to get used to it. I'm not used to driving with gloves, or at least I haven't been used to driving the gloves this season because I haven't rode it that much. I've only had the bike for 3 weeks, so these gloves are new, but that leather was stretch. One thing I don't like about where I moved is that these lights take forever to switch. That's about it. And some of the drivers here can't drive. But that's about everywhere. Every city has those. No, he ran that light. It's crazy. I'm wondering, did I take my pre-workout for the gym? I think I did. If not, oh well. We got the Celsius in the back. Man. Here we go. We cannot clip that, chat. Oh shit. That's strange. Is that a fucking condom on a hitch? I ain't never seen those. That's a big rubber condom. Ooh, I like that Z06 ZR1. Oh shit. Oh, that's nice. Young girl, I like you. I do. I wanna be your friend while shopping in the Benz. I like you. I do. But yeah, that's so strange. That's a condom on a hitch. On a hitch ball. That pipe's crooked too. I'm judging this dude's car. I'm sorry. I'm judging that one, but I'm fucking complimenting the fuck out of that one, cause jeez. ZR1, C6 ZR1, you don't see them that often. They're so good looking. Ooh, M3. Not a big fan of these gloves, but it's leather, so they'll break in. Oh, my bag was open this whole time. Go ahead, Peek. Go ahead. Oh, that's nice. That is very, very, very nice. Damn, buddy. You took that man out. I swear every time I go out for a drive, you always see some funny shit. Or some messed up stuff. Because, damn, I almost took that boy out. I'm tired. My arms hurt. Those gloves are horror as heck right now. Hello. So it's like really uncomfortable right now. Yeah, my hand hurts. But I gotta break in this damn gloves, bro. She's nothing like the girl you ever seen before. There's nothing can compare to your neighborhood girl. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being respectful. Girls were on the night of ball. Daisy Dukes bikinis on top. Skulls represent. So put your hands up. Whoa, 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 California, California girl. Man, I need to eat. I'm hungry. It's 3:10. I gotta fix the time because it's actually 2:10. I gotta watch my teams play. Real Madrid, Ala Madrid, and I gotta go to work after. And just like that, muchachos, the day is over. Look at this. This might not be a lot to most, but to me, this feels like I'm doing just fine.